In the ever-evolving landscape of business operations, effective financial management is the bedrock of success. From tracking expenses and revenues to forecasting budgets and managing cash flow, finance teams require tools that offer precision, flexibility, and comprehensive insights. When considering project and work management platforms, ClickUp and Monday.com frequently emerge as top contenders. But for finance professionals, the critical question is, does ClickUp truly offer more options than Monday.com, especially when it comes to the nuanced demands of financial oversight? As a financial management expert, I can tell you that the answer isn't a simple yes or no. Both ClickUp and Monday.com are incredibly powerful and versatile platforms, capable of being adapted to various business needs. However, when we drill down into the specific requirements of finance teams, those focused on numerical accuracy, detailed reporting, audit trails, and streamlined financial processes, ClickUp generally presents a more robust and granular set of options. Let's dissect this with a finance-centric lens. 1. Granularity and hierarchy, the accountant's best friend. Financial management thrives on detailed organization and clear categorization. ClickUp's hierarchical structure, workspace, space, folder, list, task, subtask, checklist, offers an unparalleled level of granularity. For a finance team, this means you can create a finance space. Within this, you might have folders for budgeting, accounts payable, accounts receivable, payroll, and reporting. Segment by fiscal year or quarter. Under budgeting, you could have lists for Q1 2025 budget, Q2 2025 budget, and so on. Break down budget items into tasks. Each budget item, e.g., software subscriptions, travel expenses, marketing spend, can be a task, with subtasks for individual invoices or approvals. Track approvals and dependencies. A payroll task might have subtasks for timesheet collection, manager approval, payroll processing, and disbursement, with strict dependencies ensuring each step is completed in order. Monday.com, while offering a visually appealing board-based system, often lacks this deeply nested hierarchy. While you can create groups and items, the ability to break down financial tasks into multiple layers of subtasks and checklists is more straightforward and native in ClickUp, which is crucial for intricate financial processes where every detail matters. 2. Custom fields, tailoring data for financial precision. Finance professionals deal with a lot of data points. Invoice numbers, due dates, payment statuses, budget allocations, actual expenditures, and more. Both platforms offer custom fields, but ClickUp's implementation is often more extensive and flexible. You can create a vast array of custom fields, including currency fields, essential for tracking monetary values accurately. Formulas. ClickUp allows for custom formula fields, which can be invaluable for calculating things like variance analysis, budgeted versus actual, profit margins on specific projects, or even complex tax calculations. Though for serious tax work, dedicated software is always recommended. Relationships. You can link tasks to other tasks or even to custom items, allowing for a more interconnected view of financial data. For example, a task to pay an invoice can be linked to the budget item it falls under. While Monday.com also offers custom fields, ClickUp's formula capabilities and broader range of field types often provide more robust options for capturing, manipulating, and analyzing financial data directly within the project management environment. 3. Automation, streamlining financial processes. Repetitive tasks are the bane of any finance department. Automations can be a game changer. Both ClickUp and Monday.com offer automation capabilities, but ClickUp generally provides a wider array of triggers and actions, offering more intricate automation recipes. For finance, this translates to automated invoice reminders. When an invoice due date custom field approaches, an automation can trigger an email notification to the responsible person. Expense approval workflows. When an expense report task is moved to submitted, an automation can automatically assign it to the finance manager for review. Budget threshold alerts. If a current spend custom field in a budget tracking task exceeds a certain percentage of the allocated budget, an automation can send an alert to the budget owner. Recurring journal entries. For predictable monthly entries, You can set up recurring tasks that automatically generate at specific intervals. ClickUp's depth in automation allows for more complex, multi-step financial workflows to be handled automatically, reducing manual errors and freeing up valuable time for strategic analysis.